There is something most men never expect to face, a moment when the body hesitates, a moment when firmness is no longer guaranteed, a moment when confidence feels like it is slipping out of your hands. For many men, this moment is terrifying because it challenges something deeper than performance. It challenges identity. If you are experiencing this, you are not alone, and you are not broken. Erectile dysfunction is far more common than most men realize, yet almost no one talks about it. When it happens, the first instinct is often fear. You wonder if it means something serious. You wonder if your partner notices the hesitation. You wonder if this is the beginning of losing a part of yourself. But the truth is simpler and far less frightening. Erectile dysfunction is usually the body communicating that something is out of balance. Circulation, nitric oxide, hormones, stress, and lifestyle habits all play a role in the body's ability to respond the way it once did. When these begin to shift, even slightly, performance becomes less predictable. That does not mean you are failing. It means your body needs support. Understanding erectile dysfunction starts with understanding how an erection actually forms. It is not just desire. It is not just excitement. It is a coordinated response between the brain, hormones, blood flow, and nervous system. When one part of that chain slows down, the results become noticeable. These changes happen quietly over time. Long work hours, stress, poor sleep, age-related nitric oxide decline, changes in testosterone availability, even certain medications. All of these can influence performance without warning. This is why so many men feel confused when the issue first appears. They look at their life and see no major change. They assume the worst, they blame themselves. Yet the real cause is almost always a combination of stress, circulation, and natural hormonal shifts. Once you see the problem clearly, it becomes far easier to fix. The body still wants to perform. It still remembers how. It simply needs better support to activate the same systems that used to operate automatically. When circulation improves, the body responds more quickly. When nitric oxide increases, the pathway becomes stronger. When hormonal signals regain balance, desire and confidence rise naturally. Nothing forced, nothing artificial, just the body returning to what it knows. This is where natural support systems matter. Many men do not want harsh medications unless absolutely necessary. They want something that works with their biology instead of overpowering it. And this is why so many men are turning to 4 Ever Ready. It is designed around the natural mechanisms the body already depends on. 4 Ever Ready supports 2 essential phases. First, it supports healthy blood flow and nitric oxide pathways, giving the body what it needs to respond physically. Second, it supports natural libido signaling, helping the mind and body reconnect in a way that feels authentic, steady, and confident. For men who value natural solutions, this approach makes sense. It does not force anything. It restores balance. Understanding erectile dysfunction is not just about knowing the causes. It is about recognizing the emotional weight behind the experience. Many men feel embarrassed. Many avoid intimacy out of fear that it will happen again. Some distance themselves from their partner, not because they want to, but because they feel ashamed. These emotions are real. They deserve to be acknowledged with respect rather than dismissed. The truth is that none of these struggles diminish your masculinity. They are signals. Signals that your body needs support in a world where stress is high, sleep is inconsistent, and expectations are heavy. When the right support is in place, the body responds. Circulation strengthens, signals sharpen, confidence returns, and the quiet fear begins to dissolve. Natural ingredients play an important role in this process. Some support circulation, some support nitric oxide, some help the body adapt to stress, others support natural desire. Together, they help restore the internal environment your body needs to perform reliably and confidently. This is why men are drawn to formulations like 4 Ever Ready. It combines these categories into a single supportive system designed for everyday use. You are not broken. You are not past your prime. You are not losing something essential. Your body is asking for balance, and balance can be restored. If you want to explore the natural formula that many men are relying on to support this process, there is a link in the description. Look through the ingredients in 4 Ever Ready. See how its structure aligns with what the body already knows how to do. Make your decision calmly and confidently. You are not losing your masculinity. You are reconnecting with it. With the right support, strength returns, confidence rebuilds, and performance becomes something you trust again. This is the beginning of taking back control, not through force, through balance, through understanding, through natural support that respects who you are as a man.